Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are in a good health and good spirit. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how to turn on or enable dark mode on WhatsApp, which is new update. So before starting the video I am telling you something that please subscribe my channel and also like the video. So let's start. You have to go to the Play Store and make sure that your WhatsApp is updated. So WhatsApp is updated, you have to click on open option and then click on WhatsApp, and you can see that this is the light mode. Actually sometimes the you want to turn on dark mode because the WhatsApp is looking very attractive and very mind-blowing, and some reason is that the WhatsApp may affect on the eyes which have light mode. So by this way you can turn on dark mode. So we get back to the video. You have to click on three dot lines and then click on setting. You can see that the last one is setting, so click on it, and the first is account, privacy, avatar and chats. You have to click on chats option, and you can see that the first is theme and second wallpaper, and we turn on dark mode, so click on theme, and you can see that this is a light mode and we want to turn on dark mode, so we have to click on dark mode and then click on OK. So you can see that the WhatsApp is turned into the dark mode. So through this easiest process you can turn on dark mode on WhatsApp. So if you face any problem in this process, please comment me. I will try my best to help you. Thanks.